Hi, this is Eric with Auto Advantage. Quick walk around video of our 2015 Ram 1500 for sale in Escondido, California. Let's get started. Main selling point of this vehicle is the low miles, only 64,000 actual miles. That's Carfax verified. It's the Tradesman, so more of a basic model, but it has kind of all the basic options you need. Power, Bluetooth, cruise control, shift on the fly, 4 high, 4 low, towing mode. It does have backup camera. Metallic silver. It's got the 5.7 Hemi. Pirelli tires. Good tread. Probably at least 2/3 to 3/4 tread left. 5.7 Hemi. Running boards. It's a pretty clean truck inside and out. Just some minor, very minor scratches around the vehicle, but looks like there may have been a rack mounted, so it's got some holes here on either side, but it does have the spray and bed liner. It's got the tow package with both kinds of hookups. No rust. Like some paint may have been spilled in the bed at some time, but other than that, good condition inside and out. Again, just some real small scratches. Interior's in nice shape. Headliner's good. This seat does fold up, so if you want to use it for storage, you can. Passenger seat's in very nice shape. Got auxiliary and USB connection. Two 12-volt outlets and another USB connection in front. Obviously overhead storage, map lights. So give us a call. You can reach us at 760-280-7648 or visit ibuycleancars.com. It does come with a warranty included. We do take trade-ins, and financing is available for all types of credit. Thank you. Look forward to hearing from you.